This video is going to show you how to find and use the PARCC mathematics practice tests. So you want to make sure that you are at the website at the top, parcc.pearson.com/practice-test/math. So once you get to this website, it's going to give you some different options for grade levels. So you'll want to pick obviously the grade level that applies to you. I'm just going to pick grade 8 as an example so that I can show you what this would look like. So it's always going to give you a few different options. It's going to give you 3 different computer-based practice tests in different versions. So there's Spanish, text-to-speech, all kinds of different things like that. And then it's also going to give you some paper-based practice tests if for some reason you have a student who doesn't have technology available. You could print this out and give it to them as well. So I'm going to just click on computer-based practice test number 1 so I can show you what it looks like. Your students can enter a name. That's really up to them. If they submit this, it just goes into the PARCC website somewhere, so really you're not going to see what name they put in. But it is going to walk them through some different things here, so it's going to have them answer different questions. It looks just like PARCC, so they're able to review their questions as they go. They're able to bookmark. They can go back and forth in between the questions, and it's really set up just like the PARCC assessment. At the end of the practice test, it will give them a score of any questions that could be graded by the computer. So that would mean any select all questions, multiple choice, drag and drop, anything like that. If there is a problem where they had to type a constructed response, that is something that will not provide a score. Now, if as the teacher you want to see their score, the students are going to need to screenshot that at the end of taking this test, and they'll also want to screenshot any typed in responses because, like I said, once they click submit, it kind of just goes away and it goes into the PARCC website, and as the teacher you no longer have access to that. So really make sure that the students understand that they need to take screenshots if they want their work to be saved and to be able to go back and look at it at a later time.